these Butterfly Locs. This one is not good. It was my first time trying it, and I like how they came out, but it's been like almost 2 weeks since I did them, and they're starting to like get too distressed. So I'm gonna just try to freshen them up, fix them, redo some that needs to be redone. So if you would like to see what I do, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just wing it. Let me grab the hair, because I'm gonna probably cut some of them out, just do completely over. This is the hair I used. Not this one, this is my daughter's. Yeah, okay, this is the hair that I used. Like this, I could have used less, but I did them kind of big. But if you want them smaller, then you just use less hair. I think I used like 2 pieces for each one. Yeah, this one definitely needs to be redone. The braid is coming out on this one. Yeah, so just showing y'all some more of the messed up ones that I'm going to try to redo. There was more in the front that I was focusing on, instead not so much of the back, even though I did some in the back, but not as many as I did. Time I will, so that's why I don't recommend this if you want to reuse the hair. Basically what I did was found my natural hair inside of the lock, I took it out, and then I proceeded to cut the fake hair with scissors, and then just unraveled it, pulled it right out. It's way easier, less time consuming, but you cannot reuse the hair.
S playing on the track.
So since I went ahead and cut the braid out, I couldn't reuse it, of course, so now I'm just taking 2 new pieces of hair and I'm going to put them together, and then you just lightly separate the hair to make it like a little thicker than just being 2 tight curled pieces. Just pull it apart just like you see me doing right here. And then I put my crochet needle through my root and hook the hair, close the loop on the hook, and then pull it through. I just pull one side of the hair through, so you have 2 split sides, one on each. And I like to make one side shorter. That's the side that I'm going to wrap around, and then the longer end is the hair I'll use to wrap around the braid. Okay, so this is method 2. This one takes a little longer. See, I'm trying to find the end of the hair where I twisted it when I put it in, and then just unravel it as much as you can. It will not always be easy to just untwist it because it has the distress areas and the wear and tear from, I guess, moving and sleeping on it. But untwist it, unravel it, just get it all apart and separated, and then you just work it out of your hair.
Bling on the track.
So there were some spots that I just couldn't get through, so I just went in with the scissors and snipped out those knots that was making it hard to untwist. It didn't mess up the hair or anything. I was still able to reuse it. Just be careful not to cut through the entire lock. So I went ahead with method 2 throughout the rest of my locks that I had to redo, and that was just untwisting all of the ones that needed to be redone and retwisting them back in once I laid my roots down with the Shine and Jam and moisturized each braid. So in all, I did about 14 to 15 locks that day, and it took me maybe 30 minutes to redo them all with untwisting. This is what it looks like after I was done. I was pleased with it. I'm still wearing them. It's been a month that I've been having them in, and I really like the look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this video if you would like to see more from me. And once again, thanks for watching.